Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to play Stake without verification. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, head over to your browser and go to official website of Stake. Here, first you have to register yourself on Stake by filling out all of these details. Once you are registered, then you can deposit money on Stake. You can actually play the games. You can also go over to your spots section where you can make selections. I can even paint based on events. You can use your username to deposit on Stake from other external websites or stores. But the issue here is that you cannot withdraw this money. You must need to set up your wallets. So guys, like this is not possible. It's not possible to play Stake without verification. Anybody lying to you that you able to make your accounts possible to help you withdraw your money or whatsoever, the person is a liar. He won't be able to help you. For now, there is no any method to do this. So that's basically how you can play Stake without verification. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.